and today we're going to look at vectors. So a vector describes a journey from one point to another. So this arrow here is going from this point through to this point. And we use horizontal and vertical motion to describe that vector. The first thing to note is that whenever we're talking about a vector, going to the right is always positive and going up is always positive. If we're going to the left or down, that's going to be negative. So in this vector here, I'm first going to describe the horizontal motion. So it's going from 1, 2, 3 right. So it's going to be +3 horizontally. And it's also going 1, 2 up. So it's going to be +2 vertically. Now, even though we've got this to describe the vector, the way we would write this is in a column. And so we always talk about the horizontal motion first, the same way we would do if we were reading coordinates. So my first number is going to be a 3. And my second number is going to be this 2 here. And this is why we call it a column vector, because we're going to write them on top of each other like this. So if I was to say this is the vector 3, 2, it means we're going horizontally 3 and then up 2. So in this second one, we would do exactly the same thing. We can see it's going horizontally 2, so +2. And vertically this time it's going up 4, so +4. So my vector column this time is going to be 2, 4. Now for these two, I haven't put in any of the horizontal or vertical parts. So I want you to have a think about how far it's going horizontally, how far it's going vertically, and therefore what the column vectors will look like. As a reminder, if we go right, it's positive, and up, it's positive. So keep that in mind when looking at the directions. Filled in the horizontal and vertical movements. In this vector here, we're going +4 horizontally, but it's not going up or down. So it's going to have 0 movement vertically. So if you got the column vector as 4, 0, you would have been correct. And for this one, we are going -3 horizontally. And the reason for that is because we're going left instead of right. So we still have +3 vertically because it's going up. So if you got the column vector -3, 3, then you had been correct for that one as well.